taught me how to taste the bag. Get right in the field, I had to make a bag. The day he lost it, so wish I could take it back. I just wanna go get one more bag with my. Wanna be rich forever for my dog. Supposed to take you on your first trip on a private jet. I vow to always ball until I fall. And we been on this money for years. Gotta drink this mud to make the pain go away. I've been dropping these